So, pretty quiet morning on board and a pretty windless morning on board. But the big news is today that we are crossing from the east to the west.